It's crazy out here, man. Shit.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Somebody got shot at the damn gun show.
Nah, bro, you messing up. I need to get that whole thing. God damn. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So, what's up, YouTube? We back with another video. Living with Corey Mo in the building. You can join the journey, but you can't live with me unless you paying rent. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all, I appreciate y'all tapping in, tuning in. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Watch the whole video. Don't skip through the video, because we got a bunch of gems hidden at different parts of the video. I already took delivery today of the Ruger 5.7. Go ahead and show y'all this real quick. Waiting on Sayful Lonzo to come out. About to hit the Fort Worth gun show. Yeah, so here you go. Yeah, just picked up this bad boy. And yes, I just picked up the Ruger 5.7.
Sir.
Yeah.
Oh, that bit's nice.
You already know. So I just picked this up from Gun Zone. I was gonna record when I was in there, but it was a lot of people in there.
I was recording anyway.
But they store so small. You been up there?
Yeah, I've been up there.
It's so small in there. So yeah, we got Sayful Lonzo in the building.
Yes,
you know
indeed, man. AKA Pistol Packers. Oh, hey, I like to let them go. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. And Hulk, smash that like button. It is free. It costs nothing for you to do that.
Support is free. Support is free. We can't say that enough. But yeah, just took delivery of the Ruger 5.7. Headed to the gun show in Fort Worth to get the 300 blackout. We're gonna do some shooting today too, so it's gonna be several different videos. Make sure y'all tap into each and every one of them.
YouTube, Smash Gang the crew. What to do? You are now tuned in to another webisode of your boy Sayful Lonzo, aka Pistol Packing Zo. Hey, I like to let him go. I'm with my boy Living with Corey Mo. He like to let him go too. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and rock with the movement. My whole team going all the way up to the tip top. Oh, y'all see what? Oh, is that a Ruger 5.7? Oh, yeah, it is. We're shooting this today. Yes, indeed. But we're in a beastly RT. We are going to the gun show. Whoa. And as soon as we pull up, I will cut this camera back on.
Hey, before you cut the camera off, check this out. Y'all check this out too. So, I just got this gun. We went Saturday to the Mesquite gun show. I got 2 guns. Got delayed on both of them. So, I know a lot of you do know this, but there's probably people who do not know this. And I'm going to kick some knowledge with y'all and let y'all know. If you go to the gun show, gun store, wherever you go to purchase a gun, you take a chance of getting delayed unless you have your license to carry.
Facts.
Starting September 1st in Texas, you do not have to have your license to carry to open carry. But if you have your license to carry, you cut out all the background check, all the waiting. So you, boom, 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 gone.
Boom, boom, bam.
Got the guns. You know what I'm saying? I just waited, 3 guns I got delayed on?
Yeah.
So, I mean, just for y'all who don't know, because there's a lot of you, I didn't know. So a lot of you who don't know, so I'm trying, we trying to give y'all knowledge as we go, as we grow. So, man, make sure y'all pay attention, stay focused, do that. I'm getting mine soon.
Yes, indeed.
About to take delivery of the second gun today, 300 blackout. I get what I can in here at the gun show, so y'all stay tuned. we at? I kind of picked this up right here. And that guy got it. This guy right here. Yeah. We got a guest appearance right here.
Who's your guest appearance? Oh man, what's going on, man? It's your boy Hellcat Slick out here finna getting some merchandise stuff. When y'all come back at me, I'm gonna be ready. Just know. Don't come at me.
We finna have a game war. You know what I'm saying? He getting the red, where's that? Oh, they put it over there. I'm not gonna pick the file. You know you're not supposed to record it here, so I'm trying to be
I
discreet.
was about to say that. I'm like,
And this is. So I'm as soon as he get it, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna let him show you. But then we got Safe Alonzo over here, you know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
indeed,
You already
man. Y'all
know.
know what he is, man. We in this thing, man.
Not supposed to be recording, but
Real
we record.
secretive.
You know what I'm saying?
Real secretive, you know what I'm saying? Talking to y'all from above, you know what I'm
You know what
saying?
I'm saying?
From above, we talking to y'all.
But yeah, I'm getting my 300 blackout right. They putting the optic on it, and they putting
Yeah, it's gonna look good. It's gonna be
it's
good.
called a hand grip.
Huh?
It's called a
Hand guard.
Yeah, and a hand guard. I'm not gonna steer you wrong. I'm learning. Bear with me. You know what I'm saying?
I need the hand guard. My partner said he's gonna give me one.
He's tall. Yeah. Y'all make sure y'all check them out.
Hey, y'all got them hand guards? 'Cause
Best prices I done seen, and that's why I just got my 300 blackout from.
shit, I think it's like the one that he's getting rid of.
You need the hand guard?
We'll be taking delivery of.
You already paid for it?
Nah, not yet. We're shooting at the Fort Worth Gun Show, but since they preoccupied, I'm gonna record a little bit of content right quick before we leave, man. Y'all make sure y'all come check out Gary's Gun and Training. This is where I got my 300 blackout. So make sure y'all check them out. And y'all see they did your boy right, they hooked me up. Everybody done got a little quiet over here.
Hey, you good, huh? And I'm just saying,
Yeah. That had to have been a gun, bro.
Over there, pay $300 for a front plate, back plate, and the plate carrier. $300.
Damn, somebody over there shooting. Heard a gunshot, somebody yelling. They done grabbed something. Let me see what you grabbed, bro. That's what you. I like that. Yeah, I like that. That's real nice.
oh, what you got there?
Yes,
Ooh, that's
sir.
hard.
300 blackout.
Hard, boy.
And they also got this from Gary's, right?
Yes,
Yeah, man. Y'all
sir.
make sure y'all
Tell
come
ya,
check
y'all
out
come
Gary's.
Gary's,
man.
man. Tell ya.
I just got the 300 blackout from up here.
Oh, you got a blackout too?
Yes, sir. You sir for this 300 blackout. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
If you have any issues, let me know. We need to get it out and get together. We need to get that range. If y'all looking for ARs, you looking for custom built ARs. Rifles, pistols, it don't matter. The caliber, if you can dream it, I can build it.
Hey,
You heard him.
hey, y'all, this is my gun builder, y'all.
Yeah, you heard him.
Rock with him, man.
And we finna have some big things
Stay
coming.
tuned. Stay tuned.
Big things coming.
man. Yes, indeed.
Yes, sir. Sure do appreciate you, bro.
I didn't write that way y'all need to write.
Good. How much?
My bad.
Oh, I got some on?
Discreet.
Oh! I thought
I don't see how that's the street.
I
Little
thought I had
something to match the
some
car, you know, little black and red, you know, something slight.
Y'all see it. We making purchases up in these gun shows. We making purchases. And
we
shout
got-
out Safe Alonzo.
Hey, man,
'cause it's
yes,
the main
indeed,
reason.
man. Hey, Safe Alonzo, a.k.a. Pistol Packing Zone. Hey, I like to let him go. Subscribe to the channel, man.
Subscribe to everybody, you know what I'm saying? Post notification bell, like, comment, all that good stuff, man. More content coming ASAP.
That's crazy, too. That's crazy, too. Ooh, that's crazy, too.
Yeah, now that we can see it out here in the light, you know what I'm saying? See it out here in the light.
Then we'll pour him on and make sure I subscribe.
I got a tree limb on my head and everything. They are.
AR-15, 223-556.
Damn, all that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was shoot
AR-15. Nah, it shoot two different calibers. Because you got different AR-15s. You got
How much you pay for that? About a grand?
No, like 880.
What else about it?
Hey now, You can't take black people nowhere.
Oh, I have to get it to you.
You got the whole photo.
Hold on, she's starting the pose. Come on, just move the head to the side. Hold on. Get the other side on swing. Yeah, man, y'all see
You
it.
know it's on TV, you got that leg sticking out.
Yeah, man.
Purple Rain famous already.
Do the hurt,
Look.
master.
Purple Rain.
Okay, now, see, now they're doing too much now.
Purple Rain famous already. Behind the scenes action. I had to give behind the scenes action from the far.
Yeah, behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes of the
Add all
thumbnails.
this. I'm gonna add all this. I had to make sure he wasn't in there. I think I get you on the arm. Oh, how about that?
Nah, but you messing up. I need to get that whole for you.
Real solid, though,
They
but
did
when the
good.
shot, I didn't flinch. Yeah. You know,
You didn't flinch.
anyway, I'm gonna end
Did
this
you
video
flinch?
like we in there.
Hell no, I ain't flinched. I was reaching for my piece and didn't have it.
Yeah, exactly.
You want it for the rest of your life, but we ain't gonna
Yeah,
fall.
lady got shot in the foot. Y'all just seen at the beginning of the video they was wheeling her out. Crazy, crazy. We out here in Fort Worth. We leaving the gun show right now. About to go to the shooting range, so make sure y'all stay tapped in. Cause there's gonna be several videos all in one day. Y'all know how it goes. Different videos, same day. The grind does not stop. Ain't that right?
Yes, sir, it does not. We're going all the way up to tip. Top, man. Yeah, man.
That way. Yeah. So
We down this way.
we don't even know where we going. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, post notification bell, comment, like, all that good stuff, man.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned because
Oh yeah, we gonna be out there. I'm gonna be in their videos coming with a little something.
That's cute.
It's cute.
he said that cute. Y'all stay tuned.
Cute, bro.